Have you ever wondered how the complex world of flight control systems evolved over time? In the early days of aviation, aircraft were controlled by a simple yet effective system known as mechanical linkages. These systems were quite the marvel in their time, using an intricate network of cables and pulleys to manipulate the aircraft's flight surfaces, the ailerons, the elevators, and the rudder. It was a physical task, requiring strength and dexterity from pilots, as these cable and pulley systems required manual force to operate. They were also vulnerable to damage, a risk that could compromise the safety of the flight. Not to mention, the sheer physical effort required to control larger and faster aircraft was becoming a significant challenge. But as with all technology, the march of progress was relentless. The need for more efficient, safer, and less physically demanding systems was clear. And so, as aircraft began to grow larger and faster, these mechanical systems started to show their limitations. The need for better control led to the development of hydraulic systems. As aircraft became larger and faster, the physical strength of a pilot alone was no longer sufficient to control them. Cue the introduction of hydraulic systems. These systems use fluid pressure to transfer force from the cockpit to the control surfaces. Imagine it as a network of pipes filled with fluid. When the pilot moves the controls, it creates pressure in one part of the system, which then transfers that force to another part, easing the control of the aircraft. These hydraulic systems were a game changer, allowing for the handling of larger, faster aircraft with relative ease. However, they weren't without their drawbacks. They were more complex and required careful maintenance to avoid hydraulic leaks, which could lead to catastrophic failures. Although hydraulic systems were a huge leap forward, they were not the end of the evolution. The quest for safer, more efficient flight control systems continued, but that's a story for another scene. Enter the digital age, and with it, the introduction of fly-by-wire systems. This technological leap has revolutionized the way we control our aircraft. But what exactly is fly-by-wire? In essence, it's a system that replaces the traditional mechanical linkages with electronic signals. This allows pilots to control the aircraft with exceptional precision and reliability. Fly-by-wire systems have opened up a world of possibilities in aviation. They've made it possible to build larger, faster, and more complex aircraft. They've also allowed for the incorporation of automatic systems and safety features that were previously unthinkable. For instance, these digital systems can automatically correct for turbulence, improving passenger comfort and safety. They can also enable fuel-efficient flight profiles, saving airlines millions of dollars every year. Let's not forget, fly-by-wire systems are robust. They're designed to be fail-safe, with multiple redundancies to ensure the aircraft can still be controlled even if one system fails. Fly-by-wire systems represent the pinnacle of flight control technology, but who knows what the future holds? From mechanical linkages to digital fly-by-wire systems, the evolution of flight control systems has been a journey of innovation and improvement. We've seen how the dawn of flight control began with simple yet effective mechanical linkages. This was the foundation upon which all future advancements were built. The transition to hydraulics marked a significant leap, providing a more responsive and efficient means of control. However, it was the advent of fly-by-wire systems that truly revolutionized aviation. By replacing physical connections with electronic signals, these systems offered unprecedented precision and responsiveness. The continual progress in flight control technology has had profound impacts on aircraft performance and safety. They've enhanced the pilot's control over the aircraft, reduced the risk of mechanical failure, and have even made complex maneuvers possible. As we continue to push the boundaries of aviation, one thing is certain: the sky is not the limit. This is Aeronautical World signing off.